Hello everyone. So I have bought this high temperature paint spray of Ruth, which can withstand 600 degrees Celsius of temperature, right? So as you can see that it's recommended that you can use it on your exhaust also, right? And and here it's mentioned for painting temperature sets fast on cars in household and industry such as exhaust, grills, oven, etc. So I've seen it has good reviews. So let's see. I'll make one more video that it can withstand the temperatures or not. So this is the part which I'll be painting on my CBR 250R. Right, it's a bit rusted on the outside. So I've make sure you clean the surface and shake the bottle before use. Right. So that it can mix up with the paint. So it is recommended that you keep shaking until unless what I'll say the pressure is built up inside, and make sure you have recommended distance, right, which is at least at least 2 fingers or 3 fingers apart to spray 2 or 3 coats. So let's see how the results will come in. Yeah, so this is the first coat. So looks okay to me, so I think I have to leave it for few minutes and apply 2 or 3 coats more onto it so that I can see the final results, right? And I think after a use of maybe 500 to 600 kilometers, I'll try to put a review onto it, right? So one more coat. There you go, from all directions. Yeah, all right then, see you on the next video. Bye bye.